Hey there, I'm Claire. Welcome back to my channel. Do you remember the session from day 12, where we learned and practiced a powerful technique to enhance awareness of body sensations? Noting or naming the particular sensations. In today's meditation, to further develop a foundational mindfulness practice, we'll now include another powerful tool, the naming of emotions. As you sit quietly, sometimes deeper emotions may arise. The unfinished business of the heart. You might suddenly find yourself in tears of grief or loss that you've been too busy to feel, or some conflict or frustration at work or school might come to mind. Welcome each feeling with mindfulness and compassion. Respect them. Again, let's begin by taking your seat with graciousness and dignity. And bring a kind attention to your body. And fill it with the smile of kindness. Let's take 4 or 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, And now, bring a relaxed and focused attention to the natural rhythm of the breath. Let's stay with the breath. Every time your attention wanders, gently bring it back to the next breath. And now, you've settled a bit with the breath. Turn the same careful attention from the breath to notice whatever emotions are present with kindness and interest. Sense what emotions or feelings are present in the body and mind just now. To deepen your mindfulness, begin to name them softly. See what happens as you do. Sad, or peaceful, anxious, or bored. If several feelings are present, simply choose one to name and notice how it is felt, how it changes, and notice when it diminishes or another wave of feeling becomes apparent. Then you can name a next. Sometimes the feelings may be strong, other times soft and subtle. You can name these too. Calm, or quiet, or empty. Keep it simple. No need to go into a story and no judgment. Just witnessing with mindfulness and naming the feelings that are present. No search through the dictionary, just named in a simple, easy way. Notice too, with difficult feelings like fear, frustration, anger, loneliness, sadness, how there's often hurt or vulnerability, and then a deep caring underneath them. Now, switch and notice any positive feelings: love, joy, delight, or contentment and well-being. You can name these and sense how they move and affect body and mind. Sometimes, people are afraid of pleasure and have more difficulty acknowledging positive feelings. They touch an unworthiness or vulnerability. Just notice. And now, let's combine the acknowledging of feelings with the central practice of mindfulness. Return your attention to your breath or anchor. And as you do, if a strong body sensation or emotion pulls your attention from the anchor, let go of this focus and receive with the same kind attention the emotion or sensation. Name it softly. Notice how it changes as you attend. And after a time, when it's diminished or you are at ease with it, return back to the breath or anchor until another strong feeling or sensation arises. Try this now. This breath, or naming this feeling or sensation, present and balanced. And now, when a strong body sensation or emotion pulls your attention from the anchor, let go of the breath as focus and bring your mindful attention to the sensation or the emotion, and name it softly. Notice how it changes as you attend, and after a time, when it's diminished or you're at ease with it, return to the breath until another strong feeling or sensation arises.